All right, I'm Mike Collier along with meteorologist Emma Landeros. You are watching this YouTube live update. Hopefully, maybe you're watching it later. I appreciate if you don't mind liking this live video or commenting if you're watching live, as we are going to bring you up to date on the winter weather potential. And so let's get started right now. This is a live look at radar, and we do have some severe weather down into, let me see here. Let me switch back over here real quick. Just give me a second. We'll bring on radar. And we do have some severe thunderstorms now that have been issued for parts of our viewing area. Let me take off the winter storm warnings or winter storm watches and just keep the severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing. So we do have a severe thunderstorm warning down towards Caddo, Caney, Atoka, Stringtown in southern portions of Oklahoma. And let's see what time. So did we have one further north? No, they're still south of McAllister. Okay, so these storms are moving northeast towards the Clayton, Antlers, Tallahena area. So those are tracking to the northeast. Thank you for waving, Kimmy. Thank you for waving. I appreciate that. That's very kind of you on this live update. So we are tracking severe storm potential as we go through the evening hours. This first batch is going to continue to track to the northeast. Let me draw on here for you. So this whole batch here is going to move to the northeast into southeastern Oklahoma over the next several hours. But I do anticipate more storms developing over the next 3 to 6 hours. And there is an attendant tornado threat with that as well. The Arian Brown, that's a higher risk for tornadoes overnight tonight from Tallahena to Stigler into northwest Arkansas. And so if you have questions, okay, so 50 chickens in a hen house. Hello, that's a cool name. I appreciate you saying hello on this live update. So this is a higher risk for tornadoes from Muskogee, Stillwell into much of Arkansas, Conway down to Mena and Antlers. The green is a lower risk for tornadoes. We look at our radar and we look this in the future, and we can see that these storms really begin to move northeast. So by midnight tonight from McAllister to Tahlequah, and then the severe weather threat begins to increase some between about 1 to 3 a.m. across southeast Oklahoma from Tahlequah, Stigler, and the Poto areas. Tulsa, just a slight risk for a few isolated severe storms. And by tomorrow morning, we start to see this cold front move through, and conditions begin to chill out as far as severe weather is concerned, and at least the cold temperatures beginning to move in as well. Then we are tracking a winter storm that's going to begin around 10 a.m. on Wednesday, last through the Wednesday afternoon hours, kind of diminish, with the second round coming in by Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon, and potentially ending as a little bit of a snow event by Thursday night before ending early Friday morning. And conditions begin to improve Friday, Saturday into Sunday. There is a possibility for some significant accumulations of ice, mainly in the sleet, mixed with freezing rain potential in the metro of Tulsa. So we're looking at almost a ½ inch of sleet, maybe an inch of sleet, mixed in with maybe 0.05 or a 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain, with the highest potential for freezing rain from Tahlequah, McAllister, and Poto into northwest Arkansas. So again, a big storm system with several waves coming in over the next couple of days, severe weather potential tonight, which we'll be watching, and then a winter mess as we head into the middle of the week. Thank you for watching this live video. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments and I'll try to answer it promptly. In the meantime, have a great night.